I recently looked at CreateStudio's official guide on how to create a revolving object. It's about making one object orbit another, but honestly, their method seemed more complicated than it needs to be, involving extra steps like adding circle shapes and grouping them. But here's the thing, I believe there's a simpler way, a faster method that saves time and achieves the same effect. Let me show you how. First, let's open up CreateStudio and start with a blank canvas. We're going to pick an object to be at the center of our orbit. Today, I'm using Earth, a transparent video that's perfect for our example. We'll resize it to fit our scene and use this handy button to align it perfectly in the center. Next, we need something to orbit around our Earth. Let's go with a boat. We'll add it to our scene, adjust its size, and position it right at the top. Here comes the clever part. Let's use guidelines to help us out. See this ruler icon? Click it and add both a vertical and a horizontal line. Now, select the boat again. In the Settings panel, find Anchor Point. Normally, it's in the middle of the object, but we're going to drag it to where our guidelines cross, right over Earth. This means our boat's anchor point is now the center of Earth, so when we animate it with a rotation property, the boat will start orbiting Earth. Let's add an animation. Choose Rotation, and for a smooth, constant movement, select Linear under the Easing tab. Move your playhead to the second keyframe or endpoint, and manually rotate the boat to complete one full rotation. That's 360 degrees. You can adjust the duration or speed by spacing out the keyframes. And just like that, you've got a simple yet effective orbit animation. Go ahead and try it out. The technique I've just shown you in the last 2 minutes is the same technique I implement to create animated scenes like this, and this. If you want more tips and tricks on using CreateStudio, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Animatube. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos. Until next time, keep animating and let your stories come to life.